Hello to you. Today I am going to discuss the Airbnb IPO. I will be focusing on the following topics. 1. The business side of Airbnb. 2. The risk and threats. 3. Boom or bust. Before we are getting into these topics, can you give this video a like if you like the topics that I am going to talk about? And subscribe to our channel. The business side. The first question that came to my head was, what are they going to do with the capital that they have raised on the IPO? The three founders are planning to sell a little bit of their shares. The value of the shares that are being sold are priced at around $95 million. Some of their shareholders and employees are selling a little bit as well. And a part of the money will be used for the business. A huge part will be put as reserve for these uncertain times. About the business. Airbnb is active in more 81k cities worldwide. The main business of Airbnb is being a mediator for travelers who wants to rent and house owners who wants to rent out their properties. Their small business are services that offers travelers a better local experiences. Such as restaurants and local travel. They were profitable in 2017 and 2018. This year they were profitable in the third quarter. After restriction were eased worldwide for traveling. Although people would travel more domestic. That surprise of a surge in traveling made Airbnb profitable. More than its competitors. But Airbnb had bring down their cost. They laid off 25% of their workforce early May this year. They decreased spending on some marketing activities. But they are spending more on brand awareness marketing. Which I think is clever. Because as soon travel is possible. You want that people to think about Airbnb right away instead of which hotels they are going to stay. For more information about the business, you can go their sec filling. I have put the link in the description. 2. The risk and threats. Let me start with the first risk. And that's Corona. I think with the Corona pandemic going, not many people are going to travel. But I do see some group of people will rent a house on Airbnb where they can throw a party or meetings. So Airbnb will still make some money. There will be domestic traveling. But I am not sure if that's going to be enough. However, Corona might cause some competitors of Airbnb to go bankrupt. Which can be in favor for Airbnb. With money that Airbnb gets from its IPO, they will have enough funds to survive the Corona crisis. The second threat, governments worldwide. Many governments worldwide are working on new laws for renting houses out. For example, that house owners can only rent their house out for only a few days in a month. They do this because hotel lobbyists are complaining, the neighborhoods are complaining about drunk tourists in their backyard. In the areas where properties that are listed on Airbnb have caused a surge in housing price. Many investors goes to those areas or buy up the property in order to rent it out. Which gives normal people no chance to buy a house to live in. IPO boom or bust. I think the IPO of Airbnb will be a successful one. The reason for this that currently the stock markets are at an all-time high. The crypto markets are getting back on their all-time high. I think a lot of people have been waiting for this IPO. As it has been postponed for a few times. Stocks that have been affected by the coronavirus will grow to new all-time high. That's because Wall Street are betting for recovery. With the stimulus package and supporting business by governments worldwide. And of course the corona vaccine will have a positive influence on the travel sector. As soon as the airplane stock starts to soar, so will Airbnb. Airbnb will become a buy the rumor and sell the news stock. If you have any questions about the Airbnb IPO, just post them in the comment section. I will answer it as soon as possible. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked the content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates.